Section 1. AI Communication Revolution, Introducing ChatGPT. Remember dial-up internet? Technology evolves fast. We've gone from clunky connections to lightning-fast information sharing. Artificial intelligence is on a similar trajectory. ChatGPT is at the forefront of this revolution, making complex AI accessible for everyone. It's a powerful tool that understands and generates human-like text, opening up a world of possibilities for communication and creation. Imagine having a conversation with a computer that understands your questions, provides insightful answers, and even cracks a joke or two. That's the magic of ChatGPT. It learns from massive amounts of data, allowing it to engage in conversations that are both meaningful and relevant. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about the future of AI, ChatGPT offers an exciting glimpse into the possibilities of human-machine interaction. Section 2. ChatGPT 4.0, the next generation of AI conversation. ChatGPT 4.0 takes this innovation a step further. Like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone, this newest version boasts enhanced capabilities. It's like having a superpowered AI assistant at your fingertips. One of the most impressive advancements is its ability to process and generate even more human-like text, making conversations smoother and more natural. But it's not just about smoother conversations. ChatGPT 4.0 introduces new features that open up exciting possibilities for creativity and problem-solving. Imagine generating different creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, etc., or getting detailed answers to complex questions in an instant. This next-generation AI tool is designed to not just assist, but to inspire and empower users to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Section 3. Mastering the Basics, a beginner's guide to ChatGPT. Don't be intimidated by the technology. ChatGPT is surprisingly user-friendly. Think of it as starting a conversation with a knowledgeable friend. You type in your questions or requests, and ChatGPT responds in kind. Let's say you need help writing a cover letter. Simply type in, "Write me a cover letter for a marketing assistant position." ChatGPT will generate a tailored template you can then personalize. Need help brainstorming blog post ideas? Just ask. ChatGPT can be your creative partner, bouncing ideas back and forth. The key is to experiment and explore the possibilities. The beauty of ChatGPT lies in its versatility. It can translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Remember, there's no need to be a tech whiz to unlock the power of AI. Curiosity and a willingness to experiment are your greatest assets. Section 4. Unlocking advanced features. Taking your skills further. Ready to level up your ChatGPT game? As you become more comfortable with the basics, you can start exploring its more advanced features. For example, you can specify the writing style you'd like ChatGPT to use, such as formal, informal, or even poetic. This is particularly helpful if you're using ChatGPT for creative writing projects. Another powerful feature is the ability to control the length and detail of ChatGPT's responses. If you need a concise answer, you can instruct it to be brief. Conversely, if you're looking for a more in-depth explanation, you can ask for more detail. By mastering these advanced techniques, you can fine-tune ChatGPT's output to perfectly suit your needs. Section 5. The Future of Communication. Embracing the Power of AI. ChatGPT is more than just a cool tool. It's a glimpse into the future of communication. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and intuitive tools that will transform the way we interact with technology and with each other. Imagine a world where language barriers are non-existent, and accessing information is as easy as having a conversation. This future is closer than we think, and by embracing tools like ChatGPT, we can all be part of shaping it. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply curious about the possibilities, now is the time to dive in and explore the world of AI-powered communication. The journey starts with a single question, so go ahead and ask ChatGPT anything. You might be surprised by what you learn.